Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I'm going to show you how to edit your cookies and your saved logins in Firefox. So here I have Firefox running. This is my GoFundMe I set up to help out with my health expenses. Anyways, let's go to Tools, Settings, Security. Go down where it says Cookies. Here's Cookies and Site Data. Clear data. Now, warning, when you do this, you have to enter every single password and login for every single site in Firefox. So there's another way around this here. You can go to Manage Data, and then you can say Sony.com. You want to get rid of that. So just click on Sony.com. It'll tell you how many. It shows you how many cookies. So click on remove all. It's going to confirm it, and you confirm it, and it wipes out all the cookies for Sony. If you want any traces of that on your computer, or if you want to re-enter it again because there's problems with cookies. Another thing I run into is logins and passwords, and your saved logins. Sometimes when I change a password, I don't write it down in my password manager. I have to do it manually. And so what I do to find the password out for that site is I go to here, and then on the password, show this little icon, click on it, and it will show you the password. So that's the password that's accessing this site here. So it's pretty straightforward with Firefox. I've been using Firefox since like 2001, and it's a good browser, but it's got some bugs. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks, patrons, and a special shout out to Ron's best friend, Benjamin R. Price. You can be here too. Link below.